Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a review of Soap Square Juicy Strawberry Lip Scrub. And trust me guys, you will have a soft, supple lips in just 2 minutes. So without further ado, let's get started.
I got my Soap Square Juicy Strawberry Lip Scrub in my Go and Say box, and you can see the packaging of the lip scrub is pretty basic and very earthy because it's a vegan product. The lip scrub contains shea butter, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, coconut oil, vitamin E oil, cane sugar and strawberry extract. The tub of the lip scrub is pretty basic and you get 10 grams of the product, though I feel that there should be some kind of leveling in the tub. You can see the scrub is pretty much granulated and it has got the wet sand texture which helps to exfoliate your lips very easily. The price of the product is pretty cheap, it only costs 250 rupees.
Soap Square Juicy Strawberry Lip Scrub, which is definitely my favorite these days because the way it works on your chapped lips is simply awesome. It has got very good ingredients in the formula of the Soap Square Lip Scrub, and trust me guys, it really worked on my lips. And you can see that right now also I'm wearing a very matte gold lip color, and when it comes to like remove the color, it becomes a big trouble for me. That time I need something like which will exfoliate my lips as well and which will also remove the stains. If you keep on repeating the process of wearing matte lipsticks, it is not exfoliated properly and the stain will remain like that forever, then you get a very discolored lips and it turned into a black patch in your lips, and which is absolutely unacceptable for a makeup lover. So for that reason, Soap Square has brought their Juicy Strawberry Lip Scrub, which really works like magic on me because I know my lips are turned. My lips were initially pink the moment I started wearing matte lipsticks. Definitely depends on the formula, maybe I have not exfoliated afterwards. So for that reason the lips become very chapped, very drying, and obviously it got discolored because of the stains that were not removed properly. Because not all makeup removers, I have used the best of best makeup removers to remove my makeup, but ultimately after removing makeup I think I need something on my lips as well, because for skin you can exfoliate with your daily face scrub, but for lips it is always get neglected, whereas with the bold lip color the whole look of your face gets changed. So I think that lips is also essential for you guys to get a proper soft supple lips, which is main need of this hour, I think, because who don't like to have very soft, very supple and very hydrated lips, and where there is no stains, nothing is chapped. When you want to put colors, bold colors, you definitely see the creases. That creases happens when you got very chapped or dry lips. For that reason an exfoliation is very necessary, and yes, the Soap Square Lip Scrub has that exfoliation quality which definitely helps you out to get rid of the chapped lips, discolored lips, because the formula of this lip scrub is completely vegan and it's completely organic, thus it gives a better result, guys. This one is completely a vegan product. It is paraben free, SLS free, thus it gives a very better result. I have been using this lip scrub for around 2-3 days and I have seen the results. My lips were so much drying, I can't tell you. And yes, after using the lip scrub, it begins completely soft, supple. I can't tell you how much I'm happy with my lips right now. Literally, guys, it's really awesome. So I will put the demo how I exfoliated my lips and how the lips can turn into a soft, supple lips from a dry, chapped lip.
Back in my no makeup look, so don't get scared, guys. Starting off with a freshly washed face, you can see my lips are quite chapped and dried. So I'm taking the scrub and just placing on my lips. Guys, I'm not rubbing it right now, I'm just placing the scrub on my lips. Gently I'm scrubbing my lips clockwise and anti-clockwise. Also scrub the corner of your mouth because that's where it darkens up very easily. The granules of the scrub is absorbed in your lips and your lips is getting smoother. Leave the scrub on your lips for 30 seconds and let it work on its own. Now rinse it off with cold water or wipe it off with wet cotton pad. Once you rinse it off, you can feel the difference in your lips. Your lips are much smoother and softer. Now you have to seal the moisture of the lips with a lip butter.
So that's what I was telling, that this lip scrub really worked wonder, and I'm sure this gonna work wonder on you as well. So please let me know in the comment down below that how it worked on you. You know, what was your first impression on using this lip scrub, because I have shared my first impression with you. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you like it. If you like it, please do let me know in the comment down below. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends so that your friend also get benefited with this video. And that's the main motto of my videos, that everybody gets benefited with the small tips and tricks, guys. See you next time. Bye.